Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to create scorecard form planning. To create the scorecard form planning, the user will need to go My Scorecard Form. Planning. The user will see the list of scorecard period planning. Choose the scorecard period by select the radio button. Then, click on Next. Select the scorecard period form planning. Then, click Edit button. Once done, the following screen is displayed will appear. User may add row by click on Add Rows button for add additional information. The user has to choose the perspective, fill up the form with the required details. Key in the weightage. The weightage must not be more than 100%. Click Calculate button to calculate the weightage, then, click Save as Draft button. Once done, the user has to submit the scorecard form planning by select the radio button. Click Next. Select the available radio button for scorecard form planning. Click Submit button. The notification will appear once the application is successfully submit. The request will then be forwarded to the user's superior for recommendation.